will choose this option, save and continue. Will the company be a community interest company? No. Save and continue. Will the company be limited by share or limited by guarantee? I am choosing this option, limited by share. Save and continue. Now you need to use a unique company name here. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of registering a limited company in the UK. Whether you are starting your first business or setting up a new venture, this guide will show you exactly how to register your company online with Company House. We'll go through everything from choosing a company name, selecting the company type, appointment of a director, and entering your company detail, all the way to final submission. So let's jump into the practical process. Okay, now here you need to search this website, Company House UK. You need to select the first one, first website. No, this one, Company House. Okay, now set up a company. Scroll down and here you will find registered a new company. Now click here, register your company with Company House. Here you can click on register now. Are you starting a new application? Yes. Continue to questions. Are you able to pay for this application using a card or PayPal? Yes. Or any director or person with significant control or the Company House secure register? No. We will now create a government gateway user ID for this company. Create. Now you need to put here your email address. Now put the verification code received on your email address here. Confirm. Email address confirmed. Click continue. Now what is your full name? Need to write your full name here. I am using a random name. You need to put your legal name here. Now you need to create your password. Click on continue. Now click on continue. You need to set up additional security. Continue. How do you want to get access code? Now you need to add your UK phone number here. I am choosing this option, text message. Continue. Are you adding a UK mobile number? Yes. Continue. Enter a UK mobile phone number. So you need to put your mobile number here. Okay, now need to add the access code received on your mobile number. Continue. You have set up additional security. Continue. Which email address do you want to use for this application? I'm using this one. Continue. What is your relationship to the company? I am a company director, so I will choose this option. Save and continue. Will the company be a community interest company? No. Save and continue. Will the company be limited by share or limited by guarantee? I am choosing this option, limited by share. Save and continue. Now you need to use a unique company name here. I am using a random name. You need to use it as per you. Save and continue. What is the company registered email address? I'm using this one. Save and continue. Confirm registered email address. Confirm and continue. What is the company registered office address? So you need to add your registered office address here. I'm using a random address. You need to put your exact registered address here. Save and continue. Now confirm it. Confirm and continue. Where will the company be registered? Mostly we are using this option, so I am using this, Land and Valleys. Save and continue. What is the company principal place of business? Save and continue. Give us 1 or more way to contact Semco Deeds Limited. So use your phone number here, email address. Save and continue. Is the new company another business? No. Save and continue. When will the company start trading? On the same date it's get set up. Save and continue. In its first 3 months, will the company do any of the following? Say no. Save and continue. Will the company be doing? So you need to choose your class. If you're doing online e-commerce, so you need to choose this option. Save and continue. Now confirm and continue. Has anyone this application ever sent a secure register? No. Save and continue. Now you need to put the director detail here. I am using it randomly. You can use it as per you. No. Nationality I am using. Now you need to put the date of birth of the director. Job title is company director. Save and continue. Now they are asking about correspondence address, so you can choose this option. Save and continue. What is the home address? So you need to put a different address here as per you. You can use your home country address as well. I'm using a random address of UK. Save and continue. Now confirm the home address. Save, continue, confirm and continue. Filing reminders by email. You say yes. Save and continue. Which email address does want to use receive filing reminders? I'm using this one. You can use it as per you. Save and continue. Do you want to add another director? In my case, no. Save and continue. Now you need to confirm these details and check these two options and save and continue. Now you are about to set up online filing authorization for the company, so click on continue. Do you want the director to be digitally authorized to file online for this company? Yes. Which director do you want to digitally authorize? This one. Check this option, save and continue. Does Saqib Ahmed have an existing company house with filing account? No. Continue. Which email address does Saqib Ahmed want to use to create their web filing account? Save and continue. Now confirm these options, save and continue. We are about to set up the company shareholder, save and continue. It's a shareholder, yes, save and continue. Would you like to add another shareholder? In my case, no, save and continue. Check and confirm shareholder details, confirm and continue. Do you want to use the most common type of share? Yes. Confirm. Save and continue. How many shares does Saqib Ahmed own? 1 share. Save and continue. Choose value of each share. £1. Save and continue. Check and confirm shareholders and share. Confirm and continue. You're about to set up the person with significant control over the company, so click on continue. From your previous answer, we know that Saqib Ahmed is a person with continue. Yes, save and continue. Check and confirm detail of the person in control of Samco deals limited, so you need to double check these details and check these two options. Confirm where person in control lives, confirm control of the company, save and continue. Model article of association, do you want to use? Yes, save and continue. Do you agree to form the company? Yes, check these two options. Save and continue. Create electronic signature for the, you can choose any 3 options from these and use the word. Okay, so I'm choosing this just randomly, you can use it as per you. Save and continue. Save and continue. Now check and confirm your answers. So you need to check all your application detail and click on confirm and continue. Confirm and continue. You need to double check these details. I understand, and now confirm and send application. Now click on make payment. Here you can choose your option. Do you want to pay with credit or debit card or with PayPal, and click on continue to payment. Once you pay the fee, the application will be submitted successfully, and that's it. Your limited company is now officially registered. The process is straightforward once you know what to expect, and within a few hours or up to 24 hours you should receive a confirmation email along with your certificate of incorporation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and comment if you have any questions or need help with any step. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.